Welcome to the assembly video for your Broil gas grill. The following model numbers apply to this assembly. Please use this video as a companion to your assembly manual. Now let's get started. Before starting, unpack all components of your barbecue and lay them out in your workspace. Use the drip pan to hold the contents of the hardware bag. You will need the following tools to assemble your barbecue: a hammer or rubber mallet, a number 2 Robertson or Phillips screwdriver, a 7/16 combination wrench, a 7/16 nut driver, or a 7/16 socket and ratchet wrench. Step 1. Identify the front of the base by the location of the axle holes. The axle and wheels should be on the left side of the base when upright. Install the caster supports on all 4 corners of the base, and the 2 casters on the right side of the base. Secure each support with 2 nuts and bolts on the inside openings. Only hand tighten them at this point. Step 2. Install the tank retainer bracket. From the underside of the base, push the tank retainer clip through the opening. Both front and rear. Install the tank retainer bracket and secure it in place using the 2 smallest screws from your hardware package. Step 3. Using the cardboard box that contained the side shelves, turn the cook box upside down on top of it. Install the legs using 2 short bolts on the rear legs and 1 on the front. Ensure that the end of the legs with the square openings end up at the bottom of the grill. Step 4. Install the front panel. Start by installing 3 screws per leg, 6 screws in total. Tighten all 6 screws using your Robertson or Phillips screwdriver. Install the front panel by aligning the openings on the panel with the screws on both legs. Step 5. In the same way you installed the front panel, install the side panels. Secure the 2 screws on each side using your screwdriver, and repeat for the opposite panel. Make sure the riv nuts on each panel face the bottom of the grill. The base will attach at these points.
Step 6. Secure the base to each of the 4 legs using 2 long bolts and 2 nuts for each leg. Attach the front panel to the base by lining up the openings on each side.
Using the short bolts provided, attach both side panels and the front panel. At this point, tighten all fasteners to the base.
Step 7.
Using a block of wood, insert the axle into the axle cap. Strike the other end of the axle with your mallet to secure it in place. Install one 7-inch wheel onto the axle and insert the axle into the hole in the base. Place the other 7-inch wheel onto the axle and secure the axle cap by striking firmly with the mallet.
Step 8. Turn the barbecue upright, ensuring you turn the back of the barbecue to the ground, never the front. Step 9. Attach the match light assembly to the front right corner of the cookbox using the provided screw. Step 10. Install both side shelves using the keyhole openings on the bottom of the shelf bracket. Step 11. Secure the side shelves using 2 screws each from the inside of the cookbox. Secure the rear attachment points first, then the front.
Tighten all screws to fully secure the side shelves to the barbecue.
Step 12. Attach the side burner to the barbecue. Remove the retainer clip from the side burner hose. Insert the hose into the burner assembly. Secure using the retainer clip. Attach the igniter wire to the side burner electrode. Step 13.
Install the lid onto the cookbox by lining up the bolt hole in the lid with the opening in the cookbox. Using the bolt provided, attach the lid. Secure using the nut and cotter pin for each side. It is easier to install the lid in the closed position and then open to finish the assembly. Install the flavor wave assembly into the cookbox. Install the cooking grids. Note the groove in each cooking grid to maintain alignment using the cookbox screws. Install the warming rack, with the back of the warming rack nesting in the cup in the rear of the cookbox. Align and install the side burner trivet into the holes. Peel off the protective plastic coating from the stainless steel inserts located on the condiment bins. Attach the name badge and temperature gauge if it's not already installed. Install the igniter battery and test it. Push the igniter button. You should hear a clicking sound. Step 14. From the back of your barbecue, angle the grease tray up and into the openings on both sides of the cookbox. Flatten the angle of the tray and press it down into the notches on each side. Install the drip tray by sliding it over the tabs on the grease tray assembly. Step 15. Attach the propane tank and secure it using the tank retainer. Now is a good time to check over your barbecue, ensuring everything is secure and in place. From there, light your barbecue and leave it on medium-high for at least 20 minutes to burn off any residue from the manufacturing process. To season your cast iron grids, heat your grill to 400 degrees, turn the burners to low, and coat your cooking grids with oil. Then you're ready to grill. Now is a great time to register your grill. Please visit omcbbq.com and click on the link. It's quick and easy. We'll provide you with the very best in customer support, recipe ideas, informative videos, grilling tips, and much more.